A new discovery at the University of Toledo's Lake Erie Center may help eradicate the grass carp.
NBC 24's Chris Arbino is live near the Maumee River tonight after speaking with the scientists who made this discovery. Chris.
Yeah, Jamie, researchers say they knew there were mature carp and that they knew there were eggs, but the discovery of the larval or the newly hatched fish is the big breakthrough. Fishing is big business in Northwest Ohio. Walleye, white bass, and perch all rely on the delicate ecosystem to sustain their populations. The grass carp, an invasive species from China, threatens that balance once they reach a mature age.
Once they get in decent numbers, it's tough to control.
The carp were brought in to clean ponds, but they found their way into other waterways. Researchers knew where to find the eggs and have even found some grown carp in the lakes and rivers, but finding the larval carp was a big breakthrough for them.
It was exciting for me to find because this is what I've been looking for. It's kind of bittersweet because it's not necessarily great news for the Great Lakes.
Last June, Nicole King, a research technician at the lab, cast her net into the Maumee River. In that cast, they caught thousands upon thousands of native fish species, but one particular larval caught King's well-trained eye.
These are, a lot of native fish, and then this little tiny guy is the larval grass carp.
Once she put the larval under the microscope, King knew she was onto something.
This is the first larval Asian carp collected in any of the Great Lakes watersheds. I know it doesn't look like much, but to me it does look like a lot.
After months of going through samples, King was able to find the one she'd been looking for. Environmental science professor Christine Mayers says this little discovery is a big step in locating the breeding grounds of the invasive carp.
If we put that together with information about temperature and how fast water was moving at that time, we can kind of back calculate where the parents of that fish were spawning. And that's important for next year for researchers and managers who will be out looking for the adult fish, trying to remove them from the rivers and the lake.
So now, just to be clear here, we are not talking about the silver carp or the big head carp. Those are notorious for jumping in front of boaters. These grass carp stay below the surface of the water. The researchers say while this discovery is significant, they do have a lot of work ahead of them and are looking forward to doing that work. Reporting live near the Maumee River, Chris Arbino, NBC 24 News.